one time ago, ang Beyonce knows ng malalim malala.
Like isang volunteer sa isang non-government organization.
Wow!
Kapag itanong nito, anong government organization ito? Ano ginagawa niya ang volunteer?
Ano ba yung Beyonce? I'm sorry.
Anong government organization ito?
This is what we call the Tulong Pinoy Movers Association, wherein we touch the lives of the needy, like the street children, home for the elders, and other institutions. Yeah.
Anong ginagawa mo talaga doon?
I actually work as a teacher. We do weekend schools, so I teach the children music and art and English.
Oh,
No wonder.
no problem with the question.
Kaya naman pala flawless ang English ni Miss Beyonce. Please pick a question.
Nagtaka ako, bakit Beyonce? Kaya hindi Beyonce yung kinanta mo.
I just think I've never reached up for a voice. I can't take it. So I don't want to be embarrassed here. That's why.
Very good.
Good choice.
Your question, Queen Bee? If given a chance to be famous, what do you want to be famous for and why?
Thank you so much for that. If I'm going to say that I would want to be famous with my beauty and my aspect, that's an old cliche already, and that's a bandwagon effect. I would rather say I would like to be famous of being a philosopher. I really admire the works of the philosophers, wherein we can realize what their words of wisdom is. So I think that's the most thing that I could do.
Who would you say is your favorite philosopher?
I have a few.
And why do you admire him or her?
I like the saying, do not do unto others what you don't want others to do to you. It's about being love begets love, respect begets respect. That's Confucius, yes. And also I would like to say Dalai Lama.
Thank you very much, Beyonce.
Beyonce?
I'll see you later. Ano ba naman niya? Kasabihan mo.
Hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan. Malamang may deke.
Okay, so ano yung kasabihan mo, Philosopher Alan? Yung tungkol sa mga mababait na kapitbahay.
Ang mabait na kapitbahay, walang password at wifi.
That's all. Tawagin na po natin ang super trainer number 2 natin, si Marian Argelian. Ang Christine Reyes ng Gomabon, Nueva Ecija.
LTU, BS Psychology. Ay, congratulations siya. Ay, ang ganda ng kulay ng sabihin niya. Ano tawag mo dyan, Royal Blue?
Let's ask her.
Yes, sir.
Royal Blue.
Ganda.
I'm happy, no?
Kanina, nabanggit ni Christine Reyes ng Nueva Ecija si Raver Cruz. Pero ang balita ko, parang merong mga umuugong na balitang hindi na daw kayo. So nag-break na kayo. How true is that?
Well, actually, in a relationship, there are things that we will face, which is a challenge. But right now, I think we're still okay in getting stronger.
Anong ba niya yan? Okay. Christine, please pick a question.
Here we go. If you were a scientist, what will you invent and why?
Thank you for that. Well, if I will become a scientist, the thing that I would invent would be the thing that, or a pill, or a machine that will cure HIV or those people who have AIDS. Because as we all know right now, our country has been having this problem. The case of people who have been having HIV or AIDS is really alarming because it is increasing. So I believe that nowadays, I believe that it is time for us human beings to somehow realize that we should be responsible enough when it comes to sex. So I believe that if I would be given a chance to invent something, that would be something that would cure this disease.
Thank you, Christine.
Thank you very much.
Nakakatawa naman yung kanyang data na nag-increase yung case na HIV sa bansa. Correct.
Nakaka-alarma actually.
Oo.
kami ng gumagamit.
And finally, here's our super selector number 3, Jessa Garcia, ang Jadalyn Mercado ng Caloocan City.
Jessa ay entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur.
Yun, no?
Hi, Jen.
Kalipumilos.
Kamusta ka na, Jen? Nami-miss na kita.
Oo, narinig kita.
Ako kaya ka showbiz central niyo.
Miss mo na rin yung Showbiz Central.
Oo, kasi lagi ako nagpapahinga sa bahay.
Wow.
Si Luis, kamusta naman kayong dalawa ni Luis?
Ay, nice naman kami. Still friends pa rin.
Alam mo, Ate D, friends din.
Yes.
O, patingin mo siya. From other Ilocos to be.
Hi, Ate B. Mag-ingat ka lang palagi dyan sa Salita Batangas.
Oh, actually, congratulate mo.
Congratulations, Ate D.
Okay, Jadalyn, here's your question.
Ikaw na magtanong ako, sunay ka na lang.
Kung may kapangyarihan kang baguhin ang kahit anong aspeto ng pamumuhay ng ating bansa, ano ito at bakit?
Mga minamahal kong manonood, kung may kapangyarihan man po akong baguhin ang aspeto sa pamumuhay ng ating bansa, ito po ang aspeto ng pamumuhay ng kahirapan nating mga Pilipino. Sapagkat naniniwala po ako, sana po ay wala na pong mahirap o kahirapan na dumadagsa po sa ating ekonomiya ng ating bansa. Naway, gusto ko po yung maging maunlad na po tayo at magsama-sama at magkait at magtulungan upang makabit po natin ang tagumpay na ating tinatamasa sa ating buhay. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Again, Jadalyn,
Thank you.
wala nga masabi sa super hit ng ating mga super series ngayong araw. Jadalyn, please join your co-contestant.
Ano yung natin na ba mundo? Iyak ko wala na mahirap. Parang wala tayong balance, no?
Oo, parang hindi ko maging
Parang
malalaman.
kailangan pinagpipati ang buhay natin. Hindi pa wala mahirap, no?
Ganun ba yun? Oo. Kasi parang wala nga nang feel over strive for.
Para mawawala na ng, ng tawag dun sa salungat. Opposite. Wala na.
Pero ngayon pala, congratulate na natin Alan K, ang ating tatlong super serenas. It's no easy feat to be answering questions on the spot, pero lahat sila ang gaganda ng mga sagot. Let's call them back. Contestant number 1 is from Malata, Manila, Sandra Loa, or also known as Del Trio.
Contestant number 2, from Abot Zina, Ariel Arguelles, a.k.a. Christine Reyes.
And our third contestant is Jessa Garcia, ang Jadalyn Mercado ng Caloocan City. Mamaya magkakaalaman na kung sino sa ating candidates ang may pinaka-exceptional na ganda at galing.
Kapag-babalik namin, pagtawanan muna tayo sa Ang Joke Ko. Dito lang yan sa Bulaga.